Tutorial: Student Model Variables. This tutorial goes over changing points and components in an activity. Assessment items have properties that could be modified that would evaluate a user's skills based on different networking components. Component can be used to group items. Each component can have a corresponding point associated with it. Look at the default assessment items page to see the component area. We can change the component and point values to provide more detailed information in the review page. Change the IP and physical components to router IP and router physical, then change the router IP point values to 2. Check the activity to see how the change in the assessment items is reflected in the results page. There are now more component categories being shown, breaking the overall score into a finer breakdown. This time, a few of the assessment items are also being evaluated and given points as router IP and router physical components. As an activity gets bigger, it gets harder to keep track of all of the assessment items. It is helpful to use name components that are easy to sort. Sometimes this can be done just by simply numbering the component items. This allows for an easy way to organize the output components. This ends the Student Model Variables tutorial.